In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix product not showing on homepage Shopify. If your product is not appearing on the homepage, the issue is often that the featured collection on your theme is linked to the wrong collection, or no collection has been selected at all. The good news is that this is usually very quick to fix inside your Shopify theme editor. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Online Store, then Themes. On your current theme, click Customize. This will open the theme editor, where you can control what appears on your storefront homepage. Once you are inside the editor, look at the left sidebar. This is where all of your homepage sections are listed. Find the Featured Collection section and click on it. This section controls which group of products is being displayed on the homepage. So if the wrong collection is connected here, your products will not show up as expected. After opening the Featured Collection settings, look for the Collection option. Under that area, click Change and then choose Select Collection. This allows you to replace the current collection with the one that actually contains the products you want to display on the homepage. Now choose the correct collection from the list. Make sure you select the collection that includes the products you are trying to show. This is important because the homepage featured collection can only display items from the collection assigned to that section. If the products are in a different collection, they will not appear here. Once you have selected the correct collection, click Select to confirm your choice. Then click Save to apply the change to your store. After saving, your homepage should now pull products from the collection you selected. If the products were missing because the wrong collection was connected, this will resolve the issue right away. As a quick tip, when checking this setting, pay close attention to the exact collection name before saving. It is easy to choose a similarly named collection by mistake, especially if your store has multiple product groups. Making sure the right collection is connected is the key part of this fix. That covers everything you need to know.